What's going on, everybody? In this video, we are going to be asking ChatGPT to give us all the strategies we need, or at least a handful of strategies, to live a life of abundance. Okay, and I've tested this and it does a fantastic job. So watch this video all to the end, don't skip around, and at the end of the video, I'm going to chant 5 mantras about living a life of abundance in your not in mine, not saying I, but saying you. I'm going to say them about you so you can shut your eyes and you can meditate. And I'm going to say these mantras about you, and you're going to listen and coach up your subconscious mind to believing these things. So let's get right into it. These are our strategies. I'm going to say to ChatGPT this. Can you give me a strategy to build a life of abundance? For example, one strategy would be to say positive mantras. Give me other strategies. All right, so here it's going. Yes, there are several strategies you can use to build a life of abundance beyond positive mantras. Here are a few suggestions. Set clear goals and create a clear plan to achieve them. Determine what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, such as the career, relationships, health, personal goals, and finances. Then create a plan of specific steps. Okay, so clear goals and steps. Practice gratitude. I think this is one of the best I've seen. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This can help you to focus on positive aspects of your life and attract more abundance into your life. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace the belief that you can learn and grow through effort and experience. This mindset can help you overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Network and build relationships. Connect with others who share your interests and values. This can help you create new opportunities and attract abundance into your life. Take action and be persistent. Be proactive in pursuing your goals and don't give up when you face challenges. Persistence and consistent effort can help you achieve success and abundance in different areas of your life. 100% true. Be open to new opportunities. Stay curious and open to new experiences and possibilities. This can help you discover new opportunities that lead to abundance in different areas of your life. 100%. Because if you were just seeking abundance and being a chef, right? There's that's it's a smaller realm, right? The bigger you can open your realm, the more abundance you'll have. You never know what might walk through those doors. Focus on self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. 100%. This can help you maintain a positive outlook and attract abundance in your life. Don't eat too much. Don't drink too much. Drinking, smoking, limit that. Stuff like that. Remember, building a life of abundance takes time and effort. So be patient and stay committed to your goals. All right, so let's. Oh yeah, these were some other ones. Visualization. I thought visualization. You can visualize the life you want to live. You can give back to others and help you create. You only will get in this world as much as you give. The more you give, the more you get. That is just quite simply how it goes. So now let's go back on. Let's create a new chat, and this chat's going to be about those mantras I told you about. So, we'll do 5 mantras. Give me 5 mantras to say in order to build a life of abundance. I'm going to say these in your person, telling them to you. So at this time, I want you to relax. I want you to shut your eyes, and I want you to visualize abundance coming into your life and listen to what I'm about to tell you, because everything I'm about to say is absolutely true. You are worthy of abundance. You trust the universe to provide. By trusting the universe, you can release any feelings or lack of scarcity and instead focus on attracting abundance into your life. You are grateful for all that you have. You are open to receiving abundance in all forms. And you are creating in your abundance in your life every single day. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this format, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and welcome abundance into your life. I sure know I am. Thank you. Bye-bye.